Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about left join in structure query language. The left join returns all the records from the left table and it only returns the matching records from the right table. Like an example, we have table 1 and table 2. Now the left join is going to return all the records from the table 1 and it is going to return only the matching record from the table 2. Because it is taking all the record from the left table, that's why it is called the left join. And the syntax is, we have to write select and then the column name, and after that from the table 1 name left join table 2 name, and after that we have to write on table 1 dot column name equal table 2 dot column name. Here the column name is the relationship between table 1 and table 2. Like an example, we have the order table and the customers table, and here the CID of the order table is referring to the CID of the customer table. So the CID column is the relationship between the orders table and the customers table. Now to perform left join between these two tables, the syntax is, we have to write select customers.name. So we are selecting the name column of the customers table, and we are selecting orders.orderID. So we are selecting order ID column from the orders table, and then we have to write from customers left join the table orders, and after that we have to write on customers.cid equal orders.cid. And here the CID sets the relationship between the orders table and the customers table. And this is the way we can perform left join between these two tables. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.